Okay, we're on the dashboard page, and on top of that page we see the channel name. Below that we see the message. That message will change twice a day, and it will show you some short stats about your channel, some improvements. Below that we see 4 cards, and first one shows how many monthly replies you have on your channel, and this value in the green background that shows improvement. And improvement is calculated from the period before you joined REPLAI.PRO. Next we have a comments with replies, how many comments actually have replies, and it shows that currently 75% have replies, and previously it was 31. Again, it's 44% improvement. Here we see a total generated replies, and next card shows total comments on your channel. And now we're looking at the demo channel with demo data, so it's just for demo purposes. That's why we see no thumbnails here and no avatar images here. And next we have a top 25 channel videos, and the number 25 or 5 or 10 depends on your subscription. I'm on the Pro plan now, that's why I see the top 25. And here we will see all the videos of the channel, and I can sort them by views. By default, they sorted by views, how many views they have. We can sort by likes and by comments if needed. And we can also sort last year, half year, last month, last week, and see the performance of our videos. Next, we have top 25 channel comments, and that's a most performant comments on your channel. They're without replies, just the comments that receive most likes or most replies. By default, they are sorted by replies, but you can always change it to likes. And again, you can see all time or last month or last 7 days. And again, the number of top comments depends on your subscription plan. Let's scroll down, and here we have 2 more sections. One is top 50 contributors. Again, on the free plan, you will have like top 5 or top 10 on the starter plan. And here we see the viewers who actually posted on your channel. In addition to that, we see some stats about those viewers that is actually very helpful for you to collaborate with them. You can see here how many comments this viewer posted, how many threads this user started, how many replies was posted by that user, how many replies received to the comments of that user, and also total likes this user received on your channel. Next, we see the date that user first posted on your channel, and the latest date that user have left the comments on your channel, and the total active time is 3 months. It's automatically calculated. And another very useful thing here, we have the number of subscribers that user have. And here you can find some users that have a lot of subscribers, and it's really great to find those and collaborate with them because they already commenting on your channel, they know you, so it will be very easy to collaborate with those users and communicate with them. And for example, here we have like 200,000 subscribers, or here 6 million subscribers. And also we have those icons here. Those icons show you the activity of the user. If it's a fire, so user was recently active. If it's a snowflake, the user was active a long time ago. And let's go and see the right side. And here we have 24 latest generated replies. Those are replies have been generated on your channel. If you already posted some of them, they will be with the tag posted. If those are just a draft, they will be shown as drafts, or if you approve them, they will be shown as approved. And here you can edit them by clicking on the edit icon and change some text if needed. Here you can regenerate those comments. Click on regenerate, choose for example shorter, and comment will be regenerated, and now we will see a shorter comment here. Here it is, and you can post those comments right from that page. Click on post, and it will ask you to post it or to cancel. I will not post that. And let's scroll down. We see Pro plan has a lot of stats, and also replies are listed here. And that's it for the dashboard page. And in the next video, we will look at the replies page. That's the main page for your reply generation and reply management.